Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
Yay!
Today, we are going to draw and color some fun shapes together. So, grab your marker and colors, and let's get started.
Okay.
First, I draw a circle shape. Then, I draw a triangle shape.
Wow!
Next, I draw a square shape.
Yeah!
Now, I draw a rectangle shape. Whoa! After that, I draw a pentagon shape.
Whee!
Then, I draw a hexagon shape.
Whee!
Next, I draw an ellipse shape.
Woo!
Now, I draw a parallelogram shape.
Wow!
And lastly, I draw a heart shape. Wow! Our drawing is complete. Now it's time to add some color. First, I choose maroon for the circle.
Oh yeah!
For the triangle, I use pink. Then, I pick light green for the square. For the rectangle, I use yellow.
Yeah!
I use blue for the pentagon. Whoa! Then, I use orange for the hexagon. For the ellipse, I use magenta.
Wow!
I use brown for the parallelogram.
Yeah!
And lastly, I use red for the heart shape.
Yes!
Wow! All the shapes are ready. Our drawing is looking so colorful. Now, I trace over the drawing to make it neat and clean. It looks amazing. Thank you so much for drawing and coloring with me today. If you had fun, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Tiny Hands Art. See you in the next colorful adventure. Bye!